How's it? I'm Kev. Time to install these shutters within the front wall of the Italian seaside house. But first, I'd forgotten to paint the frames the shutters sit in. Here I'm painting the front wall a base coat of bleached sand. The shutters snap in pretty easily. All I then have to do is fill any small gaps. I'm spreading drywall compound over the front wall, and I'm using a sponge to create a texture. Here's the result. Maybe a little rough for 1 to 50 scale. Finally, I'm adding the balsa wood windowsills. Next time, I'll add some colour. Thanks for watching. Press the like button.